Do you want to make a collage on Instagram story? You can create photo collages in Insta stories with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to make a collage on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To make a collage on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, at the top of the profile page, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select Story. A new screen will appear, showing all the pictures and videos from your device gallery. To create a photo collage in your Instagram story, select multiple pictures that you want to include in the collage. Once selected, tap on the Next button. Now, you'll see two options. From here, select Layout. You are now in the story editing screen. Here, you can add text, stickers, GIFs, and more to the collage to make it more engaging. If you want to change the collage layout, tap on the grid icon at the top of the screen and select one from the available options. Once you're happy with your collage story, tap the Your Story button to share it.